Noise blanking compression. Recorded raw data in Brainwave 4 typically takes up about 8 GB per minute. To save up space on your hard drive, there are two compression modes available. In this video, we will cover the noise blanking algorithm. To access it in its settings, go to the Controls panel and click the gear icon next to the recording button. Change the recording mode from raw to compressed. Now we see that the recording pathway is from the BioCam-X to the channel validation settings to the compression and then a BRW file. Click on compression to access the compression options. We're going to use the noise blanking algorithm. The noise blanking mode is based on spike detection. With noise blanking activated, the program will only record when there are spikes detected. Here we can set the standard deviation factor for event detection, similar to the spike detection analysis settings. Here we can adjust the pre-event and post-event durations, i.e. the time that the software will record pre-spike detection and post-spike detection. Additionally, we can select the recording area. For instance, if we want to just record the channel where an event has been detected, we can select No Neighbors. Meanwhile, the 4 nearest neighbors and 8 nearest neighbors will gather data from the 4 channels closest to the channel where an event has been detected. Meanwhile, 8 nearest neighbors will gather the data from the 8 channels surrounding the channel where an event has been detected. Furthermore, to enable a more precise recording, you can select to keep noise updated over time. Once we see that our compression has been turned on, we can click OK, and we see that the recording mode has been changed to compressed. Click play to preview the data acquisition. After waiting a couple seconds, we can click and drag to select a couple channels to preview. The yellow lines that we see here represent the recording intervals, i.e. when a spike has been detected and the time pre and post event detection. Now we can click record. Now opening our data file. Looking at the MEA viewer, we can see that in our recorded file, only the detected spikes have been recorded. The empty blue spaces represent empty channels, where no spikes have been detected for this current interval. By selecting a few channels and moving along the recording, we can see that only the detected spikes and the pre- and post-spike events have been recorded. If we wish to fill in the intervals between spikes, we can go to Controls and click Interpolate with Synthetic Noise where data is missing. This is strictly a visualization option and allows us to visualize our data with simulated noise created by the Brainwave 4 algorithm. We can also turn off the simulated noise by clicking the button again, and we will view only our recorded compressed data.